Welcome back, guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new around here, my name's Sam Clark and you're watching One Life Cars. Before we get into today's video, I want to start by saying a big thank you to every subscriber, everyone who watches the videos, likes and comments. All your support is greatly appreciated, and we have just gone over 2,000 subs. So at the end of this video, I'll be announcing the winner and the two runners up for the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. And again, I just want to say a big thank you to you all. Let's crack on, and if you're new, hit that subscribe button and join the One Life family. Right, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove and replace the anti-roll bar on this Vauxhall Corsa C behind me. Really easy job, like I always say, just a case of getting the front wheel off, and then it's literally a couple of bolts to get the anti-roll bar off and put your new one on. Now these do fail MOTs quite a lot. It's a dead common problem on a lot of cars, especially older cars like this one. They get a bit loose on the bushes, and then the MOT guy wants to get a bit loose, he'll fail it straight away. They're not an expensive part either. Most cars like these, you're looking at £30 tops brand new. You can get them cheaper, you can get second-hand ones, but be careful if you're getting a scrap anti-roll bar, because some of them can be as bad as the one you're about to take off. So without further ado, let's crack on and show you guys how. Right guys, let's crack on with this. As you can see, it's got no eye and no cheeks now, this car. That's off the back of a video that I put up yesterday on how to remove and replace the front wings. If it interests you, there'll be a link in the description along with all the other Corsa C videos. Or if you want to just have a look through what videos I've done on this car, you can always check out the Corsa C playlist, which you'll find on the playlists. So, first thing we've got to do, guys, is get this wheel off. As you can see, I've already undone it a bit. I've already got the jack set up. I've already got what I'm going to use as my axle stand for this job, because I'm only doing one side. I'm just going to stick this stand underneath it and catch the sill, so if the jack does fail, I'm safe. So quickly get it jacked off the ground a bit. You literally just need to get your wheel off the ground. Catch the sill, that can't drop on me now. And then we can undo this wheel and get it off and out the way. I mean, in theory, you could probably do this without taking the wheel off, because I've got the wing off and there's loads of space to get into the back there, but in majority of cars and situations, you will have to take it off. It's just going to make it a lot harder for you. Plus, it puts more weight having the wheel on the hub, which is all connected to your anti-roll bar as part of your suspension, so in theory it's going to make it harder to get it on and off, just because of the weight of the wheel on it as well. So, wheel off, like so, revealing a very rusty brake disc, because it's not been used for a while, this car. We'll be doing a video on a brake pad change. I'll probably do that today as well, so that'll be up soon if you're interested in that. Also, I've had a request for a front wheel bearing. That's also getting done hopefully today. So again, if you happen to be watching this video, who requested it, I forget your name, I'm sorry. It'll be up soon. Anyway, anti-roll bar. So if you have a look back, you've got your disc, your caliper, your brakes. You've got your tie rod end for your steering, so your drive shaft, the big bit right in the middle that turns the wheel, your suspension itself, and then this, it's a dead fin bar that connects to somewhere near the middle of the suspension, the shock absorber, and goes down and connects to the, well, what is the rest of the anti-roll bar, this bit here. So this is the bit we're changing, and as you can see, we've got a big, what looks like a 15mm nut at the top here, and the same again at the bottom here. So I've got some spanners out in a socket. I'll let you know what size it is, and we'll have a look at getting this off and putting the new one on. A little tip too with putting the new one on, unfortunately it's not as easy as just clipping it straight in. You've got to line it up as the wheel. You'll find that if you've just got a new one now and you're going to fit it, you'll put the top in, it won't meet the bottom. We have to try and push this up, but we'll get to that in a second anyway. So we've got this first nut loose, as you can see. So what you want to do is get an adjustable like so and get it on the back. On the back it's got a flat bit to get an adjustable round, so otherwise the whole thing just turns inside of the anti-roll bar. and it's an 18mm spanner or socket. You're probably better off with a strong bar to crack it initially. I actually used that just to crack it, put the scaffold bar on the end of the spanner, and it was quite rusty and stiff. But yeah, so I worked it off with that, using the adjustable to hold the back still, and now that one's pretty much off. Well, it is off. I'm going to leave the spline in place for now and get on the bottom one. The bottom ones are a bit more awkward because obviously the socket's facing sort of away from you, but just got to persevere with it. We'll get that one off, and then we'll look at getting the anti-roll bar off. Sometimes they become quite tight to take off. I mean, with it being the old one, if you're replacing it, you can just fucking smash it out with an hammer or something, but if you want to do it properly, the trick is put a jack under it, just take a little bit of pressure off. Not all the way, you go too far, you put the pressure on the other way, but you'll see this straighten up as you jack underneath the disc or the hub or whatever. And then once it gets sort of straighten up as slack as it's going to be, you can knock it out quite easy then. But yeah, we'll get the bottom one off and we'll get it off, and then we'll look at putting a new one back on. Right guys, we shall continue in the rain. You can see it's a bit wet now. I'm dressed for it. So we've got bolts off, nuts off should I say, but as you notice it's still really tight. It'll sit at an angle like that. So I've stuck a bit of a tube through the actual main anti-roll bar bit that this connects to, and just sort of wedged it in somewhere where the drive shaft is there. So now when I push sort of down on an angle down there on this, you look up here, this will, it's a bit hard to do with the camera, straighten up a bit, taking the slack off it. You see that? So now I can hold that like that and knock it out. Obviously I can't do it while I'm filming. I do need to get a chest mount for you guys so I can use two hands and film. Definitely something to consider soon. But anyway, yeah, so I'm going to use that bar to take the tension off this, knock it out, and then the bottom will just slide out, and then we'll replace it. When you get your new one, it'll come like that. It might have two new nuts, might not. Looks exactly the same. That's just one bar. It's the same at both ends, so it can go back on either way around. Just stick the bottom in first, put your nut on, and then we'll come back to this stage in a second with your new one. I'm just going to refit this for now. I'm not actually changing this, it's just for the purpose of the video for you guys. Yeah, so tension it off, pull the whole thing out, and then when you come to put your new one on, before you worry about the tension and anything like that, put your bottom bit in, put the nut on it. You can even tighten it up if you want. And then we're going to get the bar and come basically back to this stage, but with the new one out, and then you're going to have to do the same thing again, pull this down, and maybe even have to get someone to help, or you know, I'm filming, so with two hands you'll be able to pull it down with one hand, just line it up with that and stick the new one through with the other hand, and we'll put the bolt on. I'll just quickly do it to show you, and we'll get the bolt back on and finish the video up. Alright, so as you can see it's out, and as you can see now it's out and the tension's off, it's all the way up here. So you're going to put your new one in the bottom first, get to this point and think, oh god, how does that fit in? This way you can use your bar again. You might be easier with a longer bar and that sticks straight out the wheel arch, but you're going to use this to sort of find a way to lever that down. See how it's going down there. And now if I had two hands I could just literally plonk that straight back in the hole and get my nut on. And that's about it really. Changing the anti-roll bar, it's quite an easy job. Sometimes the nuts can be really rusty and hard work to get at. Just go and sit under this canopy out the rain a sec. So just give them a good sort of coating with WD-40 first, let them soak a minute. It gets really bad, get some heat on him, but this shouldn't be too bad. It's a fairly simple job, something you can definitely do at home on your own. It's also quite a common one, big MOT failures, anti-roll bars, or the anti-roll bar link. I think they're called an anti-roll bar link because I think the bit that goes underneath the car is the actual main anti-roll bar, but it's all part of the anti-roll bar system. How many times can I say anti-roll bar in this video? There's one for you, count them. Right guys, next thing is we'll do it in this video. We're going to announce the winners of the 2,000 subscriber giveaway, but what I'll do is we'll wrap this up now, and then I'll add a little bit onto the end, and I'll film that inside the house out of this crap weather. So I hope you found this useful. If you're new around here and you like this sort of content, maybe you want to request your own video on your own car, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments below or on any other video. And if you found it useful guys, please give it a like, it helps me a lot. That's how to remove and replace the anti-roll bar links on the Vauxhall Corsa C. But yeah, that's about it from me today. But it's not about it, because the announcement is for, but yeah, you get what I mean. It's about it for this bit of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you inside in a second. Peace. What's up, guys? You join me in the warmth and the dry of my kitchen, away from the miserableness that is outside, as you just seen. So, I'm just looking on the other phone here, and I'm going to tell you guys the winner of the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. I just want to start by saying a big thank you to everyone that's subscribed, everyone that's watched a video, that's liked a video, that's commented on a video. You know, your support means a lot, and it keeps me going, keeps me making these videos. And you know, onwards and upwards, I'm going to stick at it. Hopefully we can get a few more cars on the channel and expand a bit, and you know, and keep growing as the months go by. But for the 2,000 subscriber giveaway, the winner is Mr. Sorry about the delay. I'm trying to read, and I'm not used to this reading and talking thing. I don't normally have a script, believe it or not. So the winner of the 2,000 subscriber giveaway is Jordan Schofield, and you will receive a £25 gift card of your choice, or I'll just transfer you 25 quid cash. It's entirely up to you. It's not much, but you know, it's the first ever giveaway for 2,000 subs. They will get big. I've already got a nice plan for 5,000. So yeah, I hope you enjoy that, mate. Jordan Schofield, you're on the subscriber list, so if you do watch this video, please let me know as sooner rather than later, so I can get something to you. I'll do a post as well announcing the winner's name, because I'm not sure if everyone's going to watch this video. I am going to put in the title of this video that I'm announcing the winners, but I will do a post as well, and I'll put it on my Instagram or something as well. I'll try and get it out there so it does get to you. But yeah, if you're watching Jordan Schofield, that is, let me know, and you know, we'll get that to you. And we've got 2 runners up. Like I said, there'd be a main winner and 2 runners up. You both can receive a £10 gift card of your choice, or just send you a tenner cash. It's entirely up to you. The first one is Dude Purper, so spelled D-U-D-E-P-E-R-P-E-R, Dude Purper. And the other runner-up is Fabio Oliveira. I'm sorry if I've butchered your name, I really am. But yeah, so Fabio Oliveira and Dude Purper are the 2 runners-up, and the winner is Jordan Schofield. They were picked at random using that random number generator on Google, and then I had to scroll through basically all my subs to find that number. It took me a lot longer than I thought. So I hope you enjoy your prize. I know they're not much, but they will get better as the channel progresses. And anyway, like I said before, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, my name's Sam Clark. If you're watching One Life Cars, hit that subscribe button and be part of the family. And until next time, peace.